welcome back to my channel. So I did break this video up into parts on period, and that's on period. If you did not watch my last video, me and my husband are trying to get into planting and gardening. If you didn't get to watch my last video, I'm gonna make sure it's popping up right here, but I'm just gonna sum it up also. This video is basically about vegetables, fruits, and herbs journey. So I mean, the main reason that we wanted to do it is also to try it out, to see like what can we do for ourselves other than just depending on the stores and everything. And also if you notice, the food is getting really high in right now for some odd reason. Yes, the country is at war, if you did not know that. And the shortage of the food. I have noticed a shortage of plenty of foods, and I'm kind of sick of it. So me and my husband, we just decided to go ahead and try to grow our own things. So this right here is basically some trays that I seen at the Dollar Tree, and it's called a small crafts caddy. So we're just gonna be basically planting seeds up in here. So first thing first, you know, if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Comment any new video ideas down below. I will be looking for them. But let's get right into it. Using is the same exact soil that I was using in the last video. I am not picking up this heavy bag, so I will go ahead and just link that in this description, and I will also put a pop-up on the back of it. It says when you can plant it, what season that you can plant it, like months or anything when you can plant it in the state that you are in. It's color coordinated, so shouldn't be hard. One seed at each one of these, and then 2 in the big side. So we're going to put a hole in the middle. So I drilled these holes in there, as you can see. I might make it a little bigger. Just a little, not too much. Excuse my faces. Filling up the containers. Okay, that's one of the seeds we are probably going to put, because this is spinach, so we're going to only put one, and it says within 1/2 depth. So we're just going to dig our finger, put the seed, and put 2, just to be sure. 2 seeds. No. I need to put 2. Oh well. I'm just going to cover it up. We're going to put it right in the middle and cover it up. We're going to take another one. Oops, my seeds fell. We're going to make an indentation, not too 40. There's 1 inch about. Put it in, cover it up. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning into this video. If you have not, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow my social medias. I will be making sure that pops up right here. If you want to see any more garden videos, just let me know in the comments and I will come through for y'all. So see you till next time. Peace.